Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in Rocky Mountain Pearl with high altitude package, 21-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, head-up display, 12,000 miles on the odometer, night vision with pedestrian and animal detection, navigation, remote start system, quadra-lift air suspension, panoramic sunroof, hands-free power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7837.